Hello there. Welcome to Karstedt Partners Packaging Spotlight. Hi, I'm Kevin Karstedt with Karstedt Partners, here with Mike Ferarri of Ferarri Innovative Solutions. Mike is a 32-year veteran of Procter & Gamble, seen a lot of very cool things, helped a lot of very cool things to happen there, is a digital print stalwart on the packaging side. Mike, tell us a little bit about what you're doing, and then we'll get into where you're going. That's cool.
Well, first, thanks for your generous comments, Kevin. Since my retirement a few years ago, I've continued on with my passion in the digital world, because what a fun time to be in this industry with so many changes taking place right now and so many innovations. So at this point, I've really had the great blessing of being able to travel, to visit consumer product companies, understand their challenges, help some of them in what they're doing to engage through relevancy and interacting with consumers through packaging, and also visiting many of the printers that have converted to digital printing or want to convert. So at this point in time, I'm really trying to help both consumer product companies and printers understand the business of best-in-class cases and uses of how to attract and grow brands.
Very good, very good. And I understand you're on your way to a special event. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, it so happened I'll be leaving tomorrow for the VIP event that HP Indigo is holding at their corporate headquarters in Rehovot, Israel. And this is so exciting. They have several hundred people from around the world, including then some members of the press, that are now coming not just to see, but with a passion and interest in really knowing how they can take their businesses to the next level with these wide format presses. And so this is all about showcasing wide format presses and what's possible with those wide format presses.
So these are, when we talk about the wide format presses, we're talking about the two presses in particular that they showed at Drupa last year, just about a year ago, right? The 30,000 and the 20,000, which are, and how wide and how fast are they? Do you have the particulars on that, or do we have to go to the website and find out?
Well, I'd take particulars to the website, but certainly they're the nominal 30-inch. I think the print area is 29 and a half, and 41, 42 inches in length. There's the sheet fed. There's also the which is the 30,000, and there is the web format that was introduced as the 20,000. Both of these are marvelous machines that are really going to change and be the second revolution now in digital printing.
Yeah. So there are a couple of the machines that were shown at Drupa that are actually coming out of or going into or in various stages of beta at this point. So it's very exciting. As a matter of fact, my business partner Jeff Wetterston will be on one of those planes going over to Israel to take a look at what's going on there too. So it's a very interesting time. In that. So I guess we can kind of wrap that up here, Mike. I hope to have another discussion with you when you get back, so you can tell us a little bit more about what's going on and we'll kind of leave it at that.
Well, I do have one more to interject, and that is I'm excited to hear live the Coca-Cola story that we've all been reading about. I did get to see some of the product in the European store shelves, and at this event, we'll actually hear live from the person who ran that from Coca-Cola.
Oh, great! That'll be of interest. And I know they use the 6000 press, the WS 6000 press in Europe to get that to happen in that. So that'll be great. Maybe we can have another interview and you can talk a little bit about that. That'd be great.
Perfect.
Thanks, Mike. Have a great trip.
Okay. Thank you, Kevin.
Bye.